Good morning, students. Today we'll continue fourth chapter, and in fourth chapter we will go to eighth problem. Okay, in fourth chapter, in 4.1, eighth problem. Once I'll show in the textbook. That is, simplify 3 by 4 whole power minus 2 divided by 4 by 5 whole power minus 3 into 3 by 5 whole power minus 2. So, how we have to simplify this? We'll see in this one. I'll copy the question here. Question is simplify 3 by 4 whole to the power of minus 2 divided by 4 by 5 whole power minus 3 into 3 by 5 whole to the power of minus 2. So I copied just now the question. Now we'll see how to proceed this one. Okay. First, BODMAS rule, already you know about it. First, which is there inside the brackets, you have to simplify. And again, the formula to be used. You have one formula, that is a by b whole power minus m if it is there. A by b whole power minus m is there. You have to write it as b by a whole to the power of m. See here, what is numerator in LHS? A. Here in RHS, what is the numerator? B. Means the fraction here, it is reversed, and in power you have minus sign is there or not? So in answer, in power minus sign already it's cancelled. So this is the formula which we have to use here. Okay. Now same formula I am applying for this one. So brackets are there. Brackets I entered. I opened the brackets. 3 by 4 whole power minus 2. In power minus is there. 3 by 4 fraction is there inside the brackets. So it becomes what here? 4 by 3 whole square. So minus I removed and a fraction it is reversed. Then divided by symbol as it is I am writing. Again 4 by 5 whole power minus 3. Same formula I am using. So fraction will be reversed. It becomes 5 by 4. And in power minus you have to remove it. So removed. Into again same a by b whole power minus m. A by b whole power minus m means what? 5 by 3 b by a whole square it becomes. Now this became this one by using this formula. So listen carefully. Next what you have to do is a by b whole power m. So formula to be used, a by b whole power m is equals to a power m by b power m. This is the formula which we have to use in above step. So which I kept brackets, it is formula to be used. So here what I am doing is this 4 by 3 whole square is like a by b whole power m or not. So what I am doing is brackets I opened and 4 square by 3 square I written, divide by symbol as it is, and again a by b whole power m, formula a power m by b power m. So 5 cube by 4 cube, brackets closed, into again here 5 square by 3 square. Now what you have to do is divided by becomes, so here one more formula I will write here, a by b divided by c by d is there. Two fractions division is there. You can write it as a by b into, this divided by becomes like into, and this fraction will be reversed, d by c. So this is the formula which I have to use. A by b divided by c by d can be written as a by b into d by c. So here 4 square by 3 square into, okay, into this fraction will be reversed, means 4 cube by 5 cube into 5 square by 3 square. Okay. Now if any cancellations are there, you have to do it. So any cancellations are there or not, see it here. 4 square 4 cube means you can write 4 power 2 plus 3. What formula used? A power m into a power n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. So this 4 square into 4 cube if I do, I will get 4 power 2 plus 3. This 5 square as it is I written here, and here 3 square is there, 3 square is there, bases are same. So powers must be added into 5 cube. So 5 square means 5 into 5, 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 square and 5 cube, if you cancel, 1 5 will be remained in the denominator, and in numerator you can write 4 power 5 by 3 power 4 into 5. So this, if you simplify, what will be happens, we'll see it. 4 power 5, 4 power 5, okay, divided by 3 power 4 into 5. So 4 power 5 means 4 into 4 into, okay, are you seeing it or not? See, 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into, how many times you got it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times you got it. So 4 power 5 means 5 times you have to write, multiply it. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. 64 into 16. If you do it, 6 4s are 24, 4 2, 6 6 is 36 plus 2 38. 164 same as it is, 12 2 1 10. So you are getting 1024 divided by 3 power 4 means 3 power 4 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27, 27 3 is a 81. So you are getting 81 into 5. 81 into 5, if you do it, 1024 divided by 5 ones are 5, 5 8s are 40. So 1024 by 405. You can write like this, or so here 4 power 5 by 3 power 4 into 5 is there. 4 base you can write as 2 square. 4 I wrote as 2 square, and 4 power 5 2 square whole power 5. This is 3 power 4 into 5, and here 2 power 10 by 3 power 4 into 5. So you can write like this, and you can leave it off, or you can simplify further like this. So these two are answers for your question. Next we will go to the next problem. That next problem is what he is asking. Next problem, one see it here. These simplifications are very important for essay question. And now I will read the question. Ninth question, if m is equal to 3 and n is equals to 2, find the value of 9m square minus 10n cube. So same question I will write here. So if m is equals to 3, ninth question, if m is equals to 3 and n is equals to 2 and n is equals to 2, find the value of, you have to find the value of, what you have to find the value of 9m square minus 10n cube. So this question as it is I am writing here, 9m square minus 10n cube. So m square means m into m. 2 times you have to write m. In m square, m is called base. This square is only for m, not for 9. So now what you have to do is, wherever m and n are there, in places of m and n you have to substitute 3 and 2. So 9m square is there. So m I am writing inside the brackets. Why I wrote in place of m3 means m is equal to 3 is given for us. After 9m square, what symbol you are seeing here? Minus. Then what coefficient is there? 10. N cube. In place of n you have to write 2 or not? So 2 cube I written. See, 9 as it is I written. M in place of m 3 is there. M square 3 square minus 10 2 cube. Now 9 as it is you have to write 3 square. 3 3 is 9. 10 as it is you have to write 2 cube. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 9 9s are 81. 10 8s are 80. From 81, if you subtract 80, you are getting 1. So the answer for this question is 1. So I have to write remaining. Next, 10th question. 10th question, if you see, simplify and give reasons. And the question is 4 by 7 whole to the power of minus 5 into 7 by 4 whole power minus 7. So same problem we done in previous one. Same problem we done here. So what formula I said? A by b whole power minus m is there. A by b whole power minus m is there. I said to change the fraction, you have to reverse it. So 4 by 7 becomes what? 7 by 4. Very good. And minus will go and it will be plus into 5. And 7 by 4 is there, minus is there. So one fraction is there, in its power minus is there. You have to remove this minus symbol and the fraction should be reversed, I said. Whole power 7. This is 7 as it is, it will come, but minus it will go and the fraction will be reversed. That's it. Now a by b whole power m. One more formula also I said to you. A by b whole power m. This power 5 will belongs to both numerator and denominator. So you have to write 7 to the power of 5 and also as well as 4 to the power of 5. Again here 4 power 7 and 7 power 7. Okay. Now bases, here 7 is there, here 7 is there. So base is 7 power 5 by 7 power 7 into 4 power 7 by 4 power 5. So this 4 power 7, 4 power 5 I wrote one side, 7 power 5, 7 power 7 I wrote another side. You have one formula, a power m by a power n is equals to a power m minus n formula. Okay. So if m is greater than n, this one. So if n is greater than 1 means 1 by a power n minus 1 will come. Now what you have to write is 7 power 5 minus 7 into 4 power 7 minus 5. So 5 minus 7 is how much here? 7 power minus 2 into 4 power 7 minus 5, how much? Square. 7 power minus 2 means 1 by 7 square, you can write it. So 1 by 7 square into 4 square. 4 square means 16, 7 square means 49. You will get answer 16 by 49. See again, 7 power minus 2, in power minus is there. You have formula a power minus m, formula is 1 by a to the power of m. So those who won't learn this formula, they won't understand this chapter. So formula is very, very important for you. You have to by heart the formulae before doing the problems. Okay. Now we'll go to standard forms. We'll go to standard forms. Introduction I'll give to you. What is meant by a standard form? We'll see this one. So the first question is 0 point. How many zeros are there? Once count here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros are there. So I'll write 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros. 9, 4, 7. This is one problem. What you have to do is you have to write this problem in standard form. So standard form means first what it is, you have to understand it. And also basics. Basics means here I'll say some problems to you. Okay, the problems are 0.156 is there. So point after how many digits are there here? 3 digits are there. So 156 by 1000 you can write it. Isn't it? So point after how many digits are there? That many zeros and 1 should be divided to remove the point. So 0.00876 is there. So I want to write this as 8.76. Otherwise point has to move only 3 digits. 1, 2, 3 digits. Point has to move like this. Means if it wants to move 3 digits, I have to write 8.76 like this divided by 1, 2, 3 zeros are there. So you have to write 3 zeros. Okay. Total 5 means you'll get 5. This is 876 by 5 zeros and 1 also you can write it. But standard form means what you have to do is before point only one digit should be there. I means 1 point, 2 point, 4 point, like that you have to write it, and multiples of 10 you have to write. Now what I want to do is here the point has to jump from here to after 9. Why after 9 means what I said to you in standard form, point before one digit should be there. That's it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So point has to move 10 digits after. So what you have to do is this 9.47 point you shifted already here, divided by 10 zeros and 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 zeros and 1. So if 2 zeros are there, 10 square. Again in rough I can do it as 2 zeros and 1 means 10 square. 3 zeros and 1 means 10 cube. Like that 5 zeros and 1 means 10 power 5. Like that 10 zeros and 1 means you can write in the denominator 10 power 10. You can write in the denominator 10 power 10. So then this 1 by a power m is there. You can write as a power minus m or not. So this 10 power 10 I want to take it to numerator. So it becomes 9.47 already is there in the numerator into this 10 power 10 is there in the denominator or not. If I want to take to numerator, it becomes 10 power minus 10. So this is called a standard form for this one. I hope that you understood. One more problem, if you listen carefully, you can do this one. Okay, that is 0.1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 9298. Now what I said in standard form, point before one digit should be there. Here 9298 are digits. So 9 point has to come, means point has to come here. So here point it has to come here means how many digits it has to cross? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits it has to cross. So you can write 9.298 directly, divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits are not, means 10 power 5 you can write directly, because 5 zeros and 1 is nothing but 10 power 5. So this 10 power 5 you have to take to numerator, then 9.298 into 10 to the power of minus 5. This is called a standard form. If decimals, in decimals they given, you have to write standard form like this. Then one more problem, if you see it, they given standard form only 483 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Now what you have to do? You have to write 4 point only or not? What I said, you have to write as point before only one digit should be there. Remaining it should not be. Means how you have to write it, you will see it. So here this entire you can write as 483 into how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros are there. You can write 10 power 5 or not. See, 483 into 10 power 5. For example, 562 you can write as 5.62 into 10 square. Okay. So if you won't understand, I will explain you in another manner. Now one example I will say to you. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros are there. So 3 into 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros means how much here? 10 to the power 4 or not? Otherwise 3 into 2 zeros, 300 is there. 3 into 2 zeros are there means 3 into 10 square. 10 square is how much here? 100. 3 into 100 is 3 square. Like that, how many zeros are there? 10 power that much number. Okay. So, same as it is I wrote here. 483 after 5 zeros are there. I wrote 10 power 5. Then here, point has to come 2 digits before or not? So, I had to multiply with 100. I had to divide with 100. Then it becomes a 483 by 100 is nothing but 4.83 into this 100 I can write as 10 square. This 10 power 5 I can write as 10 power 5 same as it is. 4.83 into bases are same means powers must be added. 10 power 2 plus 5 is nothing but 10 power 7. Once again I will do same problem. 483. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros are there, 5 zeros are there, okay. 483, 5 zeros are there. So what I want to say is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 digits before you have to get a point. Point is not there here. So if it is there also, it is there here. Point has to move left side. Now point has to move left side. In previous problems, point has to move right side. Point has to move right side means you divided. Point has to move left side means you have to multiply. Okay, this point has to go left side here. Means here you can write 4.83 directly. And how many digits it has to cross here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 power 7 directly you can write it. One more problem we will do it. The question is second question. That is 543 is given. Okay. And how many zeros are there? Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros are there. Now count how many digits point has to travel. So point not there means point 0 only. So here point is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Because point before one number should be there. So 11 digits it has to cross means 5.43 you can write into 10 to the power of 11. That's it. So this is the easiest way to express in standard forms. So we'll see remaining problems in the next class. Thank you. Do homework and classwork. Do these problems. I have to practice it. Okay.